Hedera HBAR is on the verge of something special in 2025 and almost no one sees it coming. Could this be the next 10x crypto? Here's why 2025 might change everything and why you need to act now before it's too late. What is Hedera and why should you care? Let's start with the basics. Hedera Hashgraph is not your typical blockchain. While most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum rely on blockchain technology, Hedera uses something much more advanced, the Hashgraph consensus algorithm. Think of blockchains like a traffic jam. Blocks of transactions line up in single file, causing delays, congestion, higher costs. Now imagine a huge motorway with infinite lanes, where transactions happen almost instantly and cost fractions of a cent. That's what Hedera's Hashgraph does. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient than traditional blockchains. Here's some stats to back up what I'm actually saying. Transactions per second, Bitcoin 7 TPS, Ethereum 30 TPS, Hedera 10,000 TPS. Transaction cost, Hedera's fees are really low and are virtually free compared to Ethereum's high gas fees. Finality time, transactions are confirmed in just 3 to 5 seconds compared to Bitcoin's 10 minutes or Ethereum's 15 seconds. Long story short, Hedera is miles ahead in terms of speed, cost, and efficiency, making it perfect for real-world adoption. And we're going to cover real-world assets in a little bit, a narrative that many believe will be the biggest opportunity for us investors in 2025. On the topic of narratives, what do you think will be the biggest narrative in 2025? Will it be AI, gaming, maybe RWA, DeFi? Let me know your thoughts down below. Institutional adoption. Who's using Hedera? Now, before I tell you about the big boys, I want to be transparent and tell you that I only started investing into Hedera at the start of 2024. I didn't really know anything about it, but a friend of mine who I met in late 2023 convinced me to look into it. This friend of mine is a serious investor. He knows his stuff and is convinced by Hedera. So much so it's his main position, and you're talking 90 to 95% of his portfolio. I invested a smallish amount initially, but it's fast becoming one of my main positions. And in a minute, you'll know exactly why. You might say a project is only as strong as the companies backing it. So when you're looking at Hedera, you know it's got strength in abundance. Unlike other cryptos that are still fighting for legitimacy, Hedera is already being used by global giants like Google, who run a Hedera node and support network growth, IBM, who are exploring enterprise use cases with Hedera, Boeing uses Hedera for supply chain tracking, LG are integrating Hedera into its tech ecosystem, Standard Bank are developing cross-border payment solutions on the Hedera network, Shinhan Bank and SCB Tech have successfully tested stablecoin remittances on Hedera. The list goes on. And these aren't just partnerships in theory, they're actually using the Hedera network in real-world applications. But why is this important? Because real-world adoption means long-term demand. More usage equals more transactions, higher demand for HBAR tokens. This is the point in the video where I tell you I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just trying to help you with my 8 years crypto experience. And if you want more help and support in my crypto community, check out the links below. The 16 trillion tokenization opportunity. One of the biggest trends in crypto is real-world asset tokenization, RWA, and Hedera is leading the charge. Personally, I currently hold Hedera and Link in terms of RWAs, but after writing and recording this video, I have a feeling I need a bit more exposure to RWA cryptos. Right now, everything from real estate to stocks, bonds, commodities, and even carbon credits is being tokenized on blockchain networks. The market size for tokenized assets is projected to reach 4 trillion by 2030, depending on where you get your info from, and this is really a conservative estimate. According to a recent Forbes article, the market could well reach 16 trillion by the year 2030. When you consider the entire crypto market is around $3 trillion at the start of 2025, this is a huge number for RWA crypto to get to in just 5 years' time. Hedera's asset tokenization studio is making it easier than ever for companies to digitize and trade real-world assets securely and efficiently. Let's have a look at a real-world example. Hyundai and Kia are using Hedera to track carbon emissions in their supply chains. By tokenizing carbon credits, companies can buy, sell and trade environmental offset transparently. But why does this even matter? It's because Hedera isn't just a speculative coin, it's solving billion-dollar problems with real utility. HBAR price prediction. How high can it go? Now let's talk about the HBAR price. By the way, if you're new to Hedera Network, the Hedera Network HBAR is the token for the network. Many analysts believe 2025 could be HBAR's breakout year, and here's why. Potential price tags for 2025. So I'm putting this video together. The price for one Hedera token is around 25 cents. Conservative estimates based on some of the YouTube videos I've been watching, you're talking 50 cents to a dollar. But because of ISO 20022 compliance and increasing institutional adoption, there are some so-called experts who are very bullish and are talking about the price getting to $5. Now, with everything I've read and watched all about this awesome crypto, I wouldn't be surprised if it done at least a 10x and went up to $2.50. But please take this prediction as a bit of fun. As I've said, I'm not dishing out financial advice. For me personally, it's not about the price targets. It's about using data to see where we are in the market cycle and giving your exit strategy serious thought so you can actually take profits. Now, if you want a bit of help with this, see below for a link for a video that goes into detail on my latest exit strategy and what data I'm using. There are loads of reasons to be optimistic about Hedera, in my humble opinion, like mass adoption, institutional investment, a growing ecosystem, and much more. Now we're going to finish this video off with a bit of fun. Hedera versus Ethereum and Solana. Who wins? And if you're loyal fans of Ethereum and Solana, this is just a bit of fun. I personally don't care what the best crypto is. I just want to make decent profits, so I do more of what I love with the people I love. Many investors ask, how does Hedera compare to Ethereum and Solana? Let's break it down. To see who wins, we'll use speed, finality, security, transaction fees, sustainability, and enterprise adoption. Speed. The clear winner is Solana with a potential 65,000 transactions per second. Finality, again Solana with a near instant finality. Security, both Ethereum and Hedera win this one for me. Transaction fees, Hedera wins, so that makes it 2-2 between Hedera and Solana. Sustainability, Hedera is the greenest and easily wins this one. Enterprise adoption, Hedera and Ethereum win. So overall, Hedera for me wins, looking at the data I've decided to use for this little challenge. Maybe I'm being a bit biased because this is, after all, a Hedera video. I like all three, I invest in all three. But there is no denying Hedera is a legit crypto and looks set to have a huge 2025. What are you saying? Hedera, Ethereum or Solana? Let me know in the comments below. Conclusion. Should you invest in HBAR? Guess what? I'm not a professional and I can't tell you what you should or shouldn't invest into. All I can do is tell you what I'm doing and give you info relating to cryptos that I'm looking at or wanting to talk about. But I will ask this rhetorical question. Is Hedera HBAR the best performing crypto of 2025? With its next generation technology, massive institutional backing, tokenization use case, and bullish price prediction, HBAR is absolutely one of the top contenders. I invest into it because of its real utility, strong fundamentals, and huge potential. Please remember, always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. I want you to win big in crypto this year, don't get me wrong, but you have to keep safety at the forefront of your mind. Crypto can and will make millionaires, but can also go tits up and you can lose some or all of your money. Remember, get in the comments, let me know what you think is going to be the biggest crypto narrative this year and what crypto is your pick out of Hedera, Ethereum and Solana. Now, if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next big update. And thanks for watching.